Let's begin this food review of Signature Kombucha. See, this is to save the turtles. Let's shake it properly. Clear from top to bottom. This is the best alternative to Coke Zero. It's not my type. It's me Gaba this side. So as you can see on the table, we have some drinks to feature today and to cover today and to taste and review today. So just to let you know all, this is not what you're thinking. This is not beer, this is not alcohol, this is non-alcoholic, and this is a very healthy drink. This is a very healthy alternative to any kind of soda, any kind of fizz drinks, any kind of cold drinks. So this is called kombucha. So for those of you who know what is kombucha, you know what I'm talking about. But for those of you who don't know kombucha, I will just give you a small thing to know that kombucha is something like a fruit drink which is being produced by using some yeast, a special kind of yeast. So if you want to know more about it, just let me know in the comments. I will tell you more about the kombucha. And today I'm going to feature the kombucha by the Signature Kombucha PH. So as you can see in the logo, it's by the Signature Kombucha. And if you want to buy these kombucha, you can buy them at Labao Fruit Stand. That's a shop near the Buko King, near the Donia Vicenta, in front of Sea Green Cafe. So you can just see one fruit shop there, that's the Labao Fruit Shop, and you can go there and ask them for the kombucha. And if you want to know what all flavors they have given us today, so this one is their original flavor. This is the original flavor of the kombucha. This one is a slightly funny name. I don't know how the flavor will be. This is called the mango turmeric flavor. Now this one is the watermelon cucumber. No idea how this is also going to taste. And the last but not the least is sounding very healthy. So this is called pineapple carrot. For those of you who love to have funny things, funny names, you may go ahead with these flavors. And you might be thinking, what is this in front of me? So this one is the metal straws given to me by Signature Kombucha also. And just to show you what all comes in this set of metal straws. So it has these three straws. So as you can see, it has a medium size straight straw. It has a thick straw. It is a medium sized straw which is having a bend. So these are all the metallic straws, and they also give you a straw cleaner. So this is also metallic, so you can clean your straws. So why are they doing this initiative? This is to save the turtles. So most of you who follow Instagram trends and who follows the trends on the world, this is to save the turtles. And you can also go and buy this from them if you don't want to buy the kombuchas, but you want to save the turtles and help the initiative. You may also buy this. So let's begin this food review of Signature Kombucha. So let's start from the original one, because people say that original is the best flavor to try. Let's see if we can like the original flavor of the Signature Kombucha. So as you can see, it's sealed properly. And to just let you know, this is being drink cold. So I've kept it in the refrigerator. And if you even buy from them, so they will give you it for free. Since I have small nails, so it's difficult to open the seal. Let's hope that this gets open. Yeah, so as you can see, it's clear from top to bottom. So since I've been told by the kombucha people before, let's close it once more and let's shake it properly. If there is any kind of yeast, if you see in any of them which is being at the top or the bottom, so don't get worried. It's a part of this symbiotic ecosystem, because kombucha itself is an ecosystem. So see, as you can see, that something is floating now in the bottle. If you can see, it is the yeast which I'm talking about. So don't worry about it. It won't taste anything funny, because it's a part which makes the kombucha. So let's take a drink. It's having zero carbonated water, but it feels carbonated because of the yeast which I am talking about. And to let you know, this doesn't feel sweet, this doesn't feel funny, because this is the original flavor. And if you like to have a sweet tooth but not that sweet, if you drink Coke Zero, so this is the best alternative to Coke Zero. It is having no sweetness added to it. It is original. Now let's proceed to the next one. This is the mango turmeric flavor. This is the flavor which I am most worried about. I don't know how will the turmeric taste in the kombucha. I have never tried turmeric in the kombucha. I've drank kombucha original flavor a lot of times by different kombucha, but I've never tried the mango turmeric flavor. So let's try. Let's shake it well properly. So as you can see, it is having a seal on the sides also, which is having the flavor written on it. So let's, as you can see, it's having fizz coming out. So it's having a lot of fizz. Make sure to let the fizz go out. Don't worry about the content. Let's wait for another second. See, the fizz won't stop. I just hope it doesn't get all the kombucha out before even trying it. Let it stop for a second. So as you can see, it is a lot fizzy. For those of you who are thinking that it's not fizzy at all, this is a proof to you that it was really fizzy drink. So let's take a sip of it and let's try this funny drink. It's not my type. It's not having any flavor of the mango. It's a bit bitter, to be honest. It's not that kind of a kombucha thing. It's actually, I like the original one better than the mango turmeric one. So if you want to try something like a healthy alternative, much more healthier alternative of original, go with this one. Not my type, but so let's go ahead and try the third one. This is the watermelon cucumber. So I hope this won't fizz out that much. If it fizzes out also, we'll have to cut the part. I don't know if I can open it without using a knife, because the seal is being packed properly. Okay, so it's open now. So as you can see, this didn't fizz out, so maybe that was having something extra funny into it. So let's try this out. This is the watermelon cucumber flavor. This feels like you're drinking cucumber water. If you have been to those restaurants who serve you water infused with the lemon and the cucumber, it feels like that. It doesn't feel that much fizzy, it doesn't feel that much kombucha-y, but it feels like an infused water with lemon or like cucumber. So it's also a nice alternative. So now the part for the last topic, for the last type, that's the pineapple carrot kombucha. So let's see how it tastes. So let's try and open this one. I don't know if this fizzes out or not. So as you can see, fizz is coming out, but I hope it doesn't spill everywhere. So God's grace, it didn't fizz out also. Oh, it got saved. So I think this is the best example to show you. As you can see on the top that there is a layer of yeast. So just advice to you, which I got to know from some YouTube videos. So if you want to start making your own kombucha, you can make that. It's actually made with green tea or black tea. So they actually put fruits in that. They boil the green tea or the black tea, and then they put the yeast thing. So for making the yeast thing, you have to get it from a starter who's already having the yeast made up for the kombucha. So if you want to start your own kombucha, so you can use this Topps yeast thing. So since I'm not interested in making my own kombucha, I will drink this one. So this is the pineapple carrot flavor. this is actually fizzy. So this feels like more of a carrot. There is not any essence or very less essence of pineapple. So if you ask me my own honest review to you, I will say go for the original one. If you don't like any kind of flavor infused in it, but if you like some flavor, go with the pineapple carrot. Or if you like infused water like flavor, then go for the cucumber watermelon. But if you like something healthy, go for the mango turmeric. So that's my review for you, and make sure to order from them, and make sure to support the turtles by ordering the metallic straws, the metal straws. So save the turtles. So make sure to follow them on Instagram, and for buying it yourself, you can go to Labao fruit stand or the food stall. It's near Sea Green Cafe, Dona Vicenta. So see you guys next time. Thank you.